National Nutrition Natural Health Reviews. 3 minutes of the latest naturopathic info with Canada's leading nutrition experts. Watch, learn, and get healthy naturally.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jonathan Beatty, naturopathic doctor and a health expert here at Nationalnutrition.ca. Today I want to talk about something that many people experience in their life called a healing crisis. Sometimes it's referred to as a Herxheimer reaction in response to clearing of bacterial infections. But basically a healing crisis is when your body is out of balance as it goes through a time of healing. Now, essentially any type of disease or illness is your body being outside of what we call homeostasis, or the normal balance of the body. As soon as you have some imbalance in the way that an organ functions or a certain tissue functions, you're going to develop what we call a disease or an illness state. And as our body goes back to a healthy state, sometimes it goes through a little bit of turmoil as it's trying to find its new state of balance. And while we go through this, sometimes we actually feel a little bit worse before we feel better. And that's often what we refer to, at least in the natural healing world, as a healing crisis. And people are often very uncomfortable with this idea. But to put it in perspective, this is how our body tries to heal from things. So, oftentimes when we think of having a runny nose or having a headache when you get an infection, well, those are symptoms brought on by your immune system's response to that infection. Those are there in an attempt by your body to help clear that infection. Things like a fever, your body's trying to increase your body temperature to prevent viruses from replicating or to try and change the rate at which bacteria replicate. And that's why one of the reasons why we will run a fever in response to an infection. Now this in a way is a type of healing crisis. Something has knocked our body out of balance, and then our body's response is a change in homeostasis to correct that imbalance, but it's uncomfortable as we get there. So that's what a healing crisis is. So if you do go through, a major health change, and on your way to healing you experience this, talk to your doctor and make sure that that's what it likely is, and then it's not a sign of something more serious or another disease that needs to be treated. But understand that sometimes, it does take feeling a little sick in order to feel a whole lot better. So if you like this video, there's lots more to check out at our channel. Subscribe, and if you have any questions or comments, post them below. And always remember, knowledge is health.